What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful at dinner time, and if that sounds good to you, we would love to have you subscribe to the channel. We share a new, easy, super delicious dinner recipe every Tuesday, so you can come back every week and get a new dinner recipe that your family will love. So today is no exception. We're actually gonna make a really quick, it's ready in 15 minutes, chili for chili dogs. We love hot dogs around here. I love an uncured Angus beef hot dog. It's so good. So stick around today. We're gonna make a really quick chili for chili dogs. You're gonna start by placing a skillet or a pot over about medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. While that's heating up, we're gonna chop up 1 small or medium-sized white onion. Get it diced up really fine, and then you're gonna add it into that olive oil and let it saute until it starts to soften. Probably anywhere from like 5 to 8 minutes. Just give it a couple stirs around the pan and let it do its thing. Then once those are getting softened, you're gonna add in 1 pound of ground beef. I love this meat chopper. It makes such quick work of working through crumbling any kind of ground meat. Turkey, beef, sausage, anything, especially those sticky ones like sausage. Now, once you get that crumbled up and browned, drain off any excess grease, however you like to do that. I like to just tip up the pan and use a little paper towel. Then you're gonna add in a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. Then we're gonna add in 8 ounces of tomato sauce. That's just enough to make it soupy, kind of like chili, but not overly soupy so that it is like traditional chili. Get that all stirred together. Now it's time to add the seasoning. This is all of your flavor. 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin, 1 teaspoon of sugar. That just helps balance all of the tangy flavors. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then we're gonna flavor it up with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Get that all stirred together, and you're just gonna let that simmer for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't need long. It's got a ton of flavor. The flavors don't need to develop over hours. Then it's time to serve it up. So we like to cook our hot dogs by boiling them in water. While I make this chili, I just put a pot of water on to simmer, pop the hot dogs in there, let them simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes, and they are perfect. Then build your chili dogs however you like it. I like to have that chili, some cheese, white onions, green onions, whatever you like. The sky's the limit with your chili dog toppings. Woo! I'm so excited to eat this. Whoa, that chili sits right on top of the hot dog. It is not falling off. It's not soupy. It is just the right consistency to be a chili for your chili dog. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh my gosh. Oh. That is perfection. I love a chili dog with the chili, cheese, extra white onions. Normally I'd put pickled jalapenos on top too. I just don't have any right now. Plenty of cheese. Sometimes I'll even pop it underneath the broiler, melt that cheese up, and oh, it is so good. So I hope that you make those chili dogs sometime in the near future, and if you do, go in the comments, let me know how your family liked them. I'd love to connect with you in the comments. So until next week, I hope that this recipe helps you feel like a success at dinner time, and we'll see you next week.